How to stay inspired to write your blog. Learning how to stay inspired to write your blog is an important skill to learn, which you'll want to think about before you even start blogging if you're planning to earn a living online. Successfully blogging for a living is something that doesn't happen overnight, and it requires a substantial amount of dedication and hard work. Because it can take so long to begin generating enough revenue to live on, many bloggers lose inspiration and may even stop blogging altogether. This often happens because the new bloggers weren't prepared. They had no idea how much effort was involved, or they may have thought they'd see more income generated than what actually appeared. To stay inspired to write your blog, you need to keep your eye on the prize and recognize that you're laying the foundation for the long-term goal of earning passive income online. There will come a day when all of your hard work begins to really pay off, and you want to enjoy a vacation or slow down your pace while still receiving revenue from many income streams. This is the most inspirational point to consider when blogging. So visualize that there will come a day when income is streaming in from all of the work you're doing right now. To stay inspired, use visual imagery, such as work involved in building a skyscraper. It begins with absolutely nothing and is a slow process, but the end result is a phenomenal structure. This is how blogging grows, very slowly and one brick at a time. But knowing that all the work that you've done will change your life is well worth it. That said, you may not have inspiration to work on your blog because you're just not interested or engaged in the topic, finding it dull or struggling to write about each day. You don't have to go for the big-ticket topics to be a success in the blogging world, so stay inspired. Be sure to focus on the niche that you enjoy writing and talking about. Otherwise, you'll increase the likelihood of giving up on this amazing opportunity to create a substantial passive income online.